Hi, Sarah. What's this? Quack. Quack. Neil, what did this guy say? Yeah. Hi, duck. Neil, what did the penguin say? Neil, what does duck say? No, duck says quack. Quack. What does Sarah say? Yeah. Ooh. Can you say hi to penguins? Yeah, penguin. Yeah. Neil, can you say hi to duck? Yeah, that's how ducks talk. Quack. Quack. Is that how you turn on the TV? Yeah. We've got to hide that thing, huh?